Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you an AI study assistant agent that I built to make studying more interactive, organized, and actually useful. Instead of giving students just one generic AI response, this agent has four different study modes: coach, plan, quiz, and cards. So let's test each one. I'll select coach, choose programming, and enter Python for loops. Now, the AI behaves more like a personal tutor. It explains the concept in a simple way, gives examples, and helps you actually understand the topic instead of just giving you an answer. Next, we have plan mode. I'll use the same topic again, Python for loops. This time, the agent creates a structured study plan with different tasks, estimated time, and clear steps to follow. And as I complete each task, I can simply check it off. So instead of just getting advice, we actually get a practical study session. Now let's test quiz mode. I'll select quiz and again use Python for loops. The agent generates a multiple choice quiz that we can actually complete. I'll select my answers and submit the quiz, and there we go. The app calculates our score and also explains each answer, so we can immediately see what we understood and where we made mistakes. The correct answers are also kept on the back end until submission, which makes the quiz much more realistic. Finally, let's try cards mode. For this one, I'll switch the topic to Java arrays. The agent automatically creates flashcards for active recall. Each card starts with a question, and when I click it, the answer is revealed. Then I can choose again if I need more practice, or I knew it if I already understand that card. So with one AI study agent, students can learn with coach mode, organize study sessions with plan mode, test themselves with quiz mode, and revise using flashcards. The goal of this project is simple. Instead of using AI just to get answers, we can use it to actually learn, practice, and remember information more effectively. If you want the complete source code for this project, join our Discord server and send me a message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.